IHGF. Indian Handicrafts and Gifts Fair is one of Asia's largest and most sought-after events, reflecting the home fashion and utility, gifting and fashion accessories. The fair attracts buyers from traditional markets in US and Europe and also emerging markets like Latin America, Central Asia, Middle East and Africa. Many visitors find the visit fruitful and have this fair on their annual itinerary. IHGF Autumn 2012 was inaugurated by chief guests Namo Narayan Meena, Minister of State for Finance, Muhammad Azharuddin MP from Moradabad and S.S. Gupta, Development Commissioner Handicrafts as guest of honor. They declared the expo open.
This is one of the very good fair where foreign buyers can come and see the entire handicrafts of the country at one place on a competitive price.
No, it's very nice. I really enjoyed it because I never expected that such a big fair happens. I mean, I was not knowing it, but I was very happy that I came here.
This fair is very successful in the sense that number of foreign buyers is increasing every year. This year also they expect that more than 4,000 foreign buyers will come. So the products now in India are one of the best in the world, and that is why I feel that our exports are growing and our share in the world market is growing.
The main objective of this show is to support and promote the exports of handicraft from the country, and this fair is the mecca for all Indian handicraft exporter as well as importer. This is the major sourcing destination for all the importers who are coming from almost 73 countries.
IHGF has played a useful role in bringing the overseas buyers and the Indian exports together in one place. It is a planned showcase of products by over 2,000 exhibitors. The large turnout of regular patrons, joined by more and more new exhibitors and buyers with each successive edition, have made this exposition an essential meeting ground for the international gifting and lifestyle products industry. IHGF's unique potential in the home and gift sector is perfectly aligned with the expectation of an evolving market. The focus is more on using raw materials in the form of wood, such as teak, rosewood, shisham, mango wood, textiles such as cotton, silk, rayon, lace, zari among others, and metals like copper, steel, bronze, silver, etc.
I'm very impressed because it's very professional, and I'm sure that for any foreigners who might have some preconceptions about the Indian quality, they will be very happily surprised to see that the beautiful craftsmanship and the amazing variety and adaptability to different tastes.
Loving the experience in the fair. It's fantastic. We've never been here before, and I must say I'm very impressed. It's very well run, it's very clean, product's great.
The show offered a huge range of products and accessories to the Western world, where one could generate new sourcing arenas and create relationships with leading Indian wholesalers, manufacturers, exporters, and people from the related industries.
I do a little bit of furniture and a little bit of textiles, a little bit of everything. And this is a great show to go to.
Everything is just great. We enjoy it, friendly and lots of fun. We enjoy it.
The 4-day showcasing of Indian handicrafts and gift items was a grand success that visitors from across the world were dazzled by the litter and glitter from host of Indian designers and exporters.
India is very unique. The decorations are very stylish, and the handicraft is very well done. Yes.
Besides the exhibition halls, buyers had the opportunity to visit the showrooms of the exporters located in the Expo Mart. The organizers had arranged various facilities for the comfort and convenience of the buyers. IHGF has become the largest show of its kind in this part of the globe and has made its own identity on the map of global fairs.